Jamaica, watch this.
Why am I have to take bad things, make joke, but how you look like say Jamaica go turn Haiti and Dominica Republic in a one so? Like the east side of the island go be Dominica Republic and the west side go be Haiti. How you look so? Because if a couple trillion fi fix it and it can't fix and we have to go borrow money from IMF and everybody. Disease outbreak down there. Andrew beg investors to start coming here now, come buy up some island and help build back the place. The island split in two. Because the west are suffer and the east alright. The west the pitney them can't go to school and the east the pitney them a go to school. The west people now party and in the east people have a normal day like nothing never happen. I don't like how this look. It don't look good. It don't look good at all. It really look like say. Me see one post that somebody say it better than abandon some of my parish them and squeeze up and make 9 parish out of one life. And make Andrew sell the rest. You don't give up so easy? Pound the country? I me feel shaken. There's nothing me can do. I could have come up with $1 trillion right now, me fix the place. I love my country bad, but boy, they sink. Something alright.